When it comes to enhancing the appearance of your home, few updates can make as significant an impact as new windows. If you're a homeowner in Covington, you know that first impressions matter, both to you and to visitors. Windows play a major role in your home's overall aesthetic, and selecting the right windows can boost your home's curb appeal and increase its market value. Whether you're renovating an old property or building a new one, Covington Windows offer a wide variety of styles, materials, and designs that can perfectly complement the architectural style of your home. In this article, we'll explore the ways in which Covington Windows can improve your home's curb appeal, enhance its beauty, and contribute to a lasting, positive first impression. Increased natural light. One of the most effective ways to improve the look of your home is by letting more natural light inside. Windows are the primary source of light in any home, and when you choose Covington Windows, you can increase the amount of daylight that enters your living spaces. Larger windows. Installing larger picture windows or bay windows not only allows more natural light to flood into your home but also gives your home a more spacious and open feel. These types of windows can make your interior brighter, while also providing stunning views of the outdoors. Sleeker frames. Modern window designs with slim, sleek frames allow for larger glass areas, increasing the flow of natural light into your home. The combination of larger panes and minimal framing creates a clean and contemporary look, which can give your home an updated and inviting appearance. By opting for windows that maximize natural light, you're instantly improving the interior ambiance of your home and enhancing its overall curb appeal from both the inside and out. Modern, stylish designs. The style of your windows plays a significant role in your home's exterior design. If you live in Covington, you have the advantage of choosing from a variety of window styles that can reflect the charm of your home's architecture. Traditional styles. If you live in a traditional or historic style home, classic window designs like double-hung or casement windows can complement your home's overall character. These styles offer timeless appeal and will never go out of fashion. Contemporary and modern looks. For homes with a modern or contemporary aesthetic, sliding windows, picture windows, or awning windows are great options. These windows feature clean lines, large panes of glass, and a minimalist design that will give your home a fresh, updated look. Custom designs. Covington Windows come in a variety of customizable designs, sizes, and shapes. Whether you're looking for arch-top windows, bay windows, or rounded shapes, these custom options allow you to tailor your windows to match your vision and create a one-of-a-kind look. With the wide selection of Covington windows, you can easily find a design that matches your home's architecture and reflects your personal style. Boosting energy efficiency. While the aesthetic appeal of new windows is crucial, energy efficiency is another key factor that can make a significant difference in your home's performance. Covington windows are designed with energy efficiency in mind, and when you replace old, inefficient windows with modern energy-efficient models, you can significantly lower your energy bills. Double or triple pane glass. Many Covington windows come with double or triple pane glass, which provides excellent insulation and prevents heat transfer. This helps maintain a comfortable indoor temperature by blocking out excessive heat in the summer and preventing heat loss during the winter. Energy-efficient coatings. Modern windows often feature low-E coatings, which reflect infrared light and UV rays, helping to keep your home cooler in the summer and warmer in the winter. These coatings also reduce the amount of harmful UV rays that can fade your furniture, carpets, and artwork. Not only will energy-efficient windows improve the overall comfort of your home, but they will also reduce your energy consumption, making them a practical and eco-friendly choice for homeowners looking to save money and contribute to environmental sustainability. Enhanced home security. When it comes to curb appeal, home security is another important factor. Your windows are a primary entry point for intruders, and investing in Covington Windows can improve your home's security. Modern windows are designed with stronger materials and advanced locking systems to protect your home from break-ins and other security risks. Impact-resistant glass. For added protection, many Covington windows feature impact-resistant glass, which is more difficult to break than regular glass. This type of glass is especially useful in areas that are prone to storms, or if you're concerned about potential break-ins. High-quality locks and frames. Covington windows also feature secure locking systems and durable frames that provide an extra layer of protection. These features make it much harder for intruders to break through, providing you with peace of mind that your home is safe. By choosing windows with enhanced security features, you're not only increasing your home's curb appeal but also protecting your family and belongings. Increased property value. Upgrading to new windows can significantly increase the value of your home. Homebuyers are often attracted to homes with modern, energy-efficient windows because they offer a lower cost of ownership and improved comfort. A house with beautiful, high-quality windows is also more visually appealing, making it easier to sell if you decide to put your home on the market. Return on investment, ROI. Window replacement offers one of the highest returns on investment for home improvement projects. By improving both the appearance and energy efficiency of your home, you'll see a significant increase in its value, which can make it easier to sell at a higher price in the future. Conclusion. Investing in Covington Windows is an excellent way to improve the curb appeal, energy efficiency, security, and overall value of your home. Whether you choose windows for their aesthetic appeal, practical benefits, or both, modern windows can enhance your home's comfort, reduce energy costs, and provide long-term value. By selecting high-quality windows that complement your home's style and functionality, you can create a more beautiful, efficient, and secure living space that enhances your home's overall appeal and performance.